Hey tech lovers, welcome back to Triplezon. In today's video, we're exploring the best handheld steam cleaner you can find today. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Fouet WHL603. Let's get started.
Product feature.
Powerful heating. The 1050-watt heating element reaches a high temperature of 230 degrees Fahrenheit in just 3 to 5 minutes, ensuring you spend less time waiting and more time cleaning. Steady performance. Enjoy 8 to 12 minutes of continuous steam output, providing enough power to tackle multiple household tasks in one go without constant interruptions. Versatile surfaces. This tool is safe for ceramic, marble, and sealed hardwood floors, as well as sinks, stoves, windows, sofas, toys, and even your car's interior. Safe and natural. Clean with complete peace of mind using 100% chemical-free steam that sanitizes your home without leaving behind any harmful fumes or residues. Family protection. Designed with a built-in child safety cap, this cleaner adds an essential layer of security to protect your little ones and pets during use. Ergonomic portability. The lightweight design and ergonomic handle minimize hand strain, while the 9.8-foot power cord gives you the freedom to reach difficult spots. All in one kit. A comprehensive 12-piece accessory set featuring 4 round brushes and various specialized attachments allows you to deep clean every corner easily. Pros. You will truly appreciate how this cleaner makes your home feel fresh and safe for your family. Its chemical-free operation means you can sanitize surfaces without worrying about toxic residues near your kids or pets. It is incredibly lightweight and easy to carry, making the transition from the kitchen to the car feel effortless while saving you precious time during your busy day. Cons. The compact 350 milliliter tank is designed for portability, which means you might need a quick refill during very large projects. Additionally, the safety cap requires a short cooling period before it can be opened for a refill, which is a vital safety measure that simply requires a little patience. Final thoughts. Imagine a home that sparkles naturally, where every surface feels rejuvenated and safe for your loved ones to touch. This handheld tool is more than just a gadget. It is a way to reclaim your time and provide a healthier environment for those you care about. It is perfect for anyone wanting a deeper clean with minimal effort. Having such a versatile partner makes home maintenance feel simple. Take the first step toward a cleaner, happier home today. Check the price link in the description. Subscribe to Triplezon and like this video for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching.